guys, here we are with the continuation of part 1. And here we are with your part 2 part. And we are going to cover the rest of the coding part of our Python data types and operators. Yeah, so after Python data types and operators, guys, we are going to start with other topics such as we have functions, then loops, conditions, and other few things are there, guys. We will cover then quickly. Very soon we are going to start with the data science. So don't miss any updates, guys. Just stay updated with this channel. So guys, let us understand what are list and list assignments and operations of it. These are a few of the important concepts now we are going to discuss. So before going ahead, guys, what are the characteristics of list? So see, lists are ordered. So these are see, you must have heard this word, right? Ordered list, unordered list in data structure. But lists are always in terms of order pattern. Like it is always following the order. The lists are mutable. I already told you how we are going to implement, like how it is getting implemented. We will see further. Lists contain duplicate values. Guys, lists can contain duplicate values. There is no restrictions of it. Okay. And I'll show you examples going further. So guys, if you see here, I have assigned a list type. Okay, and here I am trying to input 5 different languages. So what are the type of languages I have kept it here? Python, Java, C, C#, and C++. And when I'm trying to print, I'm getting this output. Okay, I'm trying to get this is list values. These are the list values. And this is how you can assign empty list, guys. Okay. And if you want to access, guys, similar way, right? Like I've already explained, each and every data structure has some indexes which are assigned on the behind screen, like on like it is there, like interpreter has already assigned them, and those starts with 0 and it follows till n minus 1. Correct. Now let us see what is the type index of 2. Like what is the element present at index 2? 1, 0, 1, 2. So you can see C is going to be printed. C printed here. Now let us run it. Let us run this. Then we have something called 1. What is the element present at 1? Python, Java. So this is 0, this is 1. So Java is going to be printed. Similarly, we have 0th position. What is the element present? Python. So that is how you can access list elements, guys. Then we have something called append. You can see here, I'm trying to append with something. Okay, I'm trying to append with another element. So here only, guys, you can see you are modifying the existing list. You're modifying the existing list, and now we are trying to see how it works. Right now, see, you can see it printed, like, so it has appended it. Correct, it has appended it. Now let us see what is there in type. Okay, so this is my type. Let me take this and copy there just for your understanding. This is my type, and I am trying to append Java, so it got appended at the end. See the output. Correct. Now let us see how negative slicing concept works, guys. Okay, so what is negative slicing, guys? The same. Let me go to the whiteboard again. Okay, I'm trying to write something here. Okay, is equal to, again I'm trying to assign something, A, B. I'm trying to assign some elements, guys. Just I'm taking a simple example to make you understand. B and D. So what is happening, guys? So what we understood, this is my positive index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, These are my positive index. Now, how negative indexes can be represented? Like this. -1, -2, this is -3, this is -4, this is -5. So guys, I'm again asking you to please practice on these two parts, because these we are going to try throughout our artificial intelligence journey. Next, I'm going to start with data science, and there this part is going to be used a lot, right? So how this is how we are representing negative index. Okay. Now let us try to understand the slicing part. S of -3, -1. What it is going to print, guys? First, it will try to print E. That is -1, right? E. Then it is going to print B. We have till -3, right? Is it going to print, guys, further? Is it? No, it is not, right? Now let us try. Let us show you. Let me show you that example. Let me go back to the coding page. Okay. I'm writing the same thing here. A, B, C, B. Sorry, B, E. Now let me print S of what have you written? -3, -1. Let us see what it is printing. See, guys. See what it is printing. It is printing. Okay. So it should print. Just a second. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it should print from here to here. Actually, it should print from here to here. What does it print? Prints C and D. Okay. Now let me see what my -1 is printing. Yeah, right? See? Okay, let me try to write something like this. I think. Okay. Understand? So, okay, guys. The order should be from here to here only. Okay, now let me come back to the whiteboard again. Okay, just a second. So, guys, what is happening, right? When we are considering, we are always considering from here to here. We are not considering from here to here. Never. We are not considering from here to here. So what we are doing, right? When we're trying to fetch, for example, I'm trying to fetch S of 1 and 3. What exactly it is printing? It's 0, 1. So it is going to print B and C. Correct? The output should be this one. And the same thing, if I'm trying to write -3, -1, guys, here 0 to n minus 1 concept will always be applicable even in case of negative index, 0 to n minus 1. So what it is trying to do, guys, even though I have shown you the indexes, right, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. What it is going to do is the approach is from left to right always. The approach is from left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay. So what you are trying to do? Minus 3. You are trying to print minus 3, which is nothing but C. So it is going to print C minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, which is nothing but 2, minus 2, correct? So it is going to print the next element of minus 2. This is my minus 2, and that is why it printed. That is how we ended like that. And guys, this negative slicing is again a really confusing concept, very confusing. So avoid, like in your real time cases also, guys, please avoid using negative slicing as much as possible, because it will confuse you. It will definitely confuse you. Now let us try. Now let us try to do the same thing in case of list. See here, right? Here we defined list. This is a type, right? Now type of minus 1. This is my minus 1 position and it printed Java, correct? Similarly, if I'm trying to print minus 3. So this is my minus 1, my minus 2, my minus 3. Okay, let me see. Just a sec. Let me run it. Sorry. I did not run correctly. Yeah. See. Now if you see, this one is minus 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. So it printed minus 3 value index. Similarly, minus 7. Minus 7 is nothing but a last element, guys. Right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 6. When we are telling minus 7, again, that concept is coming here, guys. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. N minus 1. N minus 1. Right? Oh, that is how it is printed. Let me try to, okay. I did not run, sorry. So yeah. So that is, so we have total 6 elements, guys, here, right? 6 elements. So it is printing that. Similarly here, minus 1, so minus 7 to minus 1. What are the elements available? Let us try to dig in. This is minus 1. Okay, we need to consider this, guys. Minus 1. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So when we're telling minus 7 to minus 1, what it is doing? It is taking the minus 7 means it is taking the first element, then second, third, fourth, fifth. When it is coming to minus 1, another minus 1 is getting added and it is giving me the value till C++. Same concept, guys. N minus 1. N minus 1 should be the last one. Now let us see about this. So guys, when we are writing this, right, we are trying to understand the first element, like the first position is first index, right? From there till end of the array, like whatever the rest of the elements we have, it will print it. So it printed. It took the first position, first index, then it printed the rest of the elements along with it. This is again the case, similar case, guys, right? Till 7th element from all, like it printed from starting element till all. Because starting position there is nothing, right? It's empty. So there is a syntax for that. If you want to print everything, you can do that. Then we have something called insert guys. So when we are doing insert, right, we are trying to tell them Okay, we insert at third position, third index, and this is the element I wanted to insert. So this is how I inserted. You can see, guys. I inserted 0, 1, 2, 3. At third position, it got inserted. Similarly, if you want to extend to another list, you can try this, guys. So this is the list one. Let me run this first. So this is the list one, and this is the list two. So when I'm telling extend means we are trying to add two lists. Extend means we are adding two lists. So we are trying to get the updated lists, right? Similarly, if you want to change few list items, right, you can try this. You can take the index, and you are trying to assign some value there. And if you see the next, if you try to print, I am able to see peer in my first index, correct? Similarly, we have something called, guys, remove. We have remove method, removing an element from list. So this is a list. Okay, I wanted to remove E. I wanted to remove this element. So I have used dot remove and I'm trying to remove it, and see, I'm getting the output without E, correct? Now let us see the next example. See, deleting from list, guys. If you wanted to delete some particular items, some particular elements from list, you can use this. See, this is the list. Okay, and this is the syntax, guys. Delete. I wanted to delete the first element, 0th and first index element, where it is going to delete banana for me, and I'm trying to print it. See, it has removed the banana. After apple, I'm getting cherry, tomato, jackfruit, and pear. Right? Similarly, we can try to delete multiple items as well. So, guys, one more important thing here, while deleting, right? While deleting, if you are deleting something, um, if you are deleting an element, you cannot revert that element back again to the list. You wanted to again insert that element, you have to do it. You will not get that back again. So that is a irreversible process. So while doing this delete operation, please be very cautious in your real time applications as well. Okay. List one dot sort. I'm trying to sort the elements. See, you can see it is giving me from ascending order. Correct? Apple, cherry, jackfruit, pear, and tomato. If you wanted to reverse means it is giving me the output of descending order. So sort and reverse. Then we have something called copy. I wanted to copy. Okay. I wanted to copy. See, if you wanted to copy the elements of one list to another empty list, you can use this copy method, right? See, if I'm trying to print list 2, I'm able to print everything of list 1. Next, we'll understand, guys, dictionary. So, guys, now let us understand the dictionary part. See, guys, this is a list of names I have taken. Okay. And I'm trying to print those names. Okay. Now let us see. And if you wanted to try to access the elements of dictionary, this is how you can do. How we are doing? We should always use the key. By using key, we can be able to get all the elements. By using key, we can be able to get all dictionary elements. Similarly, here, right, I'm trying to change the name. See, here I'm trying to add another element with this key name 4, and this is the value. So now I'm trying to print again the list of names. Before I have till name 3, now name 4 is getting added, correct? If you want to delete some element, you can use again the particular key, and you can be able to delete it. So let me just try to run this and see, guys, name 4 is getting deleted, right? Similarly, we have something called change an element inside dictionary. If you wanted to change some element, I wanted to change the name. So I am able to change it. You can see. This is how you can change. Then this is how you can print your keys, list names. This is a dictionary name, and this is what your method is, keys. If you wanted to print all the values of that dictionary, you can use values. If you wanted to copy to another dictionary, you can use copy method, right? If you wanted to update some values, guys, see, consider that here I have marks, okay, I have physics and maths, and there is something called internal marks, okay. If you wanted to update these internal marks to the marks, it's a kind of append, or you can say you are trying to add some keys, right, guys? So this is how it works. Now let us understand operators. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is my equal operator. This is my not equal operator. This is my greater than operator, and this is my less than operator. You can see it is giving me Boolean types, right? 3 is 5. So, guys, this is some warning. So, ignore this. So, whenever some compatibility changes, because the versions, like the changes are again happening based on versions, right? So whenever some latest version is changing, or some latest version they are trying to modify something there, you will be getting some warning, right? Now let us see. Okay, now warning is gone. Now let us see AND operator. So these already we have seen in our slides. Okay, so we just try to match with these operators by comparing the slides, by going through the video. Okay, now let us see NOT operator. So guys, what it is happening, right? If not 5, it like what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put a condition. It has to print hello, else it will print hi. So if not 5 means it is false condition, correct? It will come to else condition and it will print anything, not 5. If I'll write 5, what it will do? It will give me the true value. If not 5 means it is giving me false value, correct? Now let us understand bitwise operators. This is my bitwise AND, guys. You like we you I mean, we have worked on these kind of type of things, right, in our other languages, but in Python we are using something called ampersand. We have used double ampersand, right? But in Python it is single ampersand, and this is how you can print, guys. Okay, it is going to check the condition, guys. How it is checking the condition? Here I have written, guys. You can just see the comment. What exactly it is doing? First, it is taking 23 is greater than 20. So what it is going to do? True, right? Then 23 less than 25. Again, that is correct, right? True and true is what? True. So in case of bitwise AND, there is a table. So if it is true and false, it will give you false. If it is false and true, it is going to give you false. If it is both conditions are false, then it is going to give you false. If it is both are true, if both conditions are true, then only it is going to give you true. So that is why it asks, like it allowed me to print it, right? Something, okay, this is an and I think I have copied it. I was trying for or, I guess. Let me just see. Yeah. Even in case of or, guys, or also the same thing, correct? Now let me see the bitwise or. Okay. This is bitwise and this is and this is bitwise or. Now what is this? What we're trying to do, guys? The same thing. This is my bitwise or, and this is my or. So in bitwise or, what is happening, guys? If we are trying, so you are comparing here, 23 is greater than 20. It is what it is going to do. It is true. True or true. True or true. It is returning me false. in this case. However, the same thing if I'm trying to, let me just print it again. Or the same thing I'm trying to print it here, right? In terms of OR, we are trying to, what is true? This one is true, right? 23 is greater than 20, true. 23 is less than 25, true. True or true. It is going to give you the output. So in case of bitwise, it is different. This or this. We basically we are avoiding writing this. We usually use this or and end to get the better output. Okay. Now what we have left. Okay. Now guys, you will see these are my in, not in, and few more examples I have given. So I have taken a list, okay, and I wanted to see the element. So in and not in will always work with in terms of data structures. Okay, it won't work in normal plain variables. So if I see, I wanted to know whether one is there in my list or not. So it is printing me true, right? Similarly, one not in my list. So it is printing me false because one is already there, right? Similarly, D in my string, D. This is D. My string D. Do we have D? It is not. Hello world. Okay, sorry. D is there, right? So it is true. Hello in my string. Hello is there, right? It is true. Name not in my dictionary. Name. It is there. Name not in my dictionary. Name is there. Let me just print it. Okay. Name, that means it is talking about the value, not okay, not in. Name is there, right? Name is already there in my dictionary. Name is already there in my dictionary, so it is printing false. However, the same thing I am writing in, so it is printing me true. So these are few more outputs, guys. These are nothing but your like when you're writing, right, plus equal to means what is the meaning of this, guys? The meaning of this is x equal to x plus 5. Similarly here, x equal to x minus 2, right? Let me just put a comment. Yeah. Here again, guys, x equal to x into 5. Here, guys, x equal to x divided by 2. Like that, guys, you just explore more on this. I have just given you few examples here just for your understanding. You guys can explore and you can practice. So with practice, you can be able to understand more on this. Okay. Now, guys, these are nothing but your bitwise. Again, these are the bitwise operators. But uh, okay, the bitwise operators are okay. Fine. These are my assignment operators, guys. So if you see, guys, I've written few points here. So how these things are working, guys? When we are writing and equal to y, x and equal to y. So I'm assigning some value x equal to 5, y equal to 2, and when I'm trying to get the assignment of these two like this and equal to, what it is giving me, guys? It is giving me the output of 0. Now let us understand. So these things are working as first assigned data are converting to binary codes, and once after converted, it assigns back to the left operand and leaves at least 1 and replaces 0 in case of AND operator. In case of OR operator, it replaces 0 to 1. Okay. Now let us understand this. Let me copy this. First, let me copy this. Let us understand OR and just. See, guys, when we are writing x equal to 5 and y equal to 2, first what it is doing, it is converting to binary code. How binary code is working, guys? First, binary means what, guys? Always it is 0 and 1. So it is first dividing by 2. Okay. 2, 4, 1. Now this 1 again is getting divided by 2. Okay. So here my remainder is 1, correct? Now this one again is getting divided by 2. 0, 0, 1. So here my output is 1, here my output is 0. So this is my, guys, this is my binary code. There are so many examples, guys. If you will see, you will be able to understand how binary code, how a normal number can be converted to binary code. Now we will see here what is the binary code we got, 101, right? Now let us see how this binary code we are getting. 2, 2, so 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is 0, 0, 1. This one 0, 0, 1. And how you will read, guys? You should always read from bottom to top here, not from top to bottom. Correct? Again, bottom to top, not top to bottom. Correct? Now here we have 101 and 0, 1, 0. So my output here should be what, guys? Here it will always go with the left operand. So whatever 1 is there, right? That 1, it is going to the first occurrence. It is going to change 1, 0, 0. It is going to change to 1, 0, 0. And 100's binary code, guys, is nothing but a 0. Similarly here, guys, here the same way you can get the output, guys. Just practice this one, guys, and let me know. Just take this as a homework and let me know. These things are not using much. I just thought of just telling you for your some knowledge on this. Then we have something called walrus operator. Guys, what is walrus operator? When you're typing print x colon equal to 3, what is the meaning of this? Whatever you're writing x equal to 3, then after that the next line print x, that is the same thing. The meaning of this is same. So that is called walrus operator. So guys, this binary code you can try once and you can see what kind of output you are getting, and just let me know in comments. Okay. Now let me go back. So guys, that is all. We have covered Python Datatypes and Operators. And guys, there are different ways of writing this string line, like how we are using double quotes and single quotes and all. I will explain you in our next upcoming classes more on that, because today's topic was data types and operators, right? So we were sticking to that, and during our next classes, I'm going to explain you on those things, and I'm not going to leave any single things, guys. I'm going to cover everything, and I'll try to make things more understandable, like so that you can get your basics strong and you can get your concepts clear. So that is all, guys. And yeah, we will cover Python conditions and loops and other things in our upcoming classes. And yeah, very soon we are going to start with the data science, guys. So start subscribing, guys. Don't leave a bit. Okay. So that is all, guys, for today. We have covered and we have completed Python data types and operators. In our upcoming sessions, we are going to cover the rest of the topics of Python. And very soon we are going to start with data science and its concepts. Yeah, like that we will go into the ML and other concepts. So yeah, stay tuned to this channel. Please subscribe and share and comment, like, and share it to your friends so it will reach to its maximum extent. And I hope this channel helps to everybody. That is all, guys, and have a great day and have a great week. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you. Thank you.